Hey there, YouTubers. I just woke up. Don't mind me. What I got today in the mail, after missing it yesterday, from good old buddies at newegg.com. I got a, let's find out what I got. I know what I got. I got a processor for my brand new computer that I am building for a family member. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Okay, dokie. The same old packaging that everyone really hates. This corn stuff. Let's see if I can pull the power supply out without any of the corn stuff getting all over the place. Okay. Let's go ahead and set this aside. Okay, here's the power supply I got. This was, I believe, $29.99. Not bad, free shipping. Gotta love Newegg for that. I think I dropped the screwdriver, which I don't need right now. Alright, we'll go ahead and open up the packaging. Let me just adjust the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing here. There we go. Okay. Here's the packaging. Nice, clean box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Alright, that one's done. I'm going to go ahead and open up this back slot, open up the flap, and revealing the power supply plug, another extra free one, power supply plug. And then you get the power supply itself, which is right here. Brand new. Brand new power supply. It comes with the on and off button, power safety button for if power goes out in the house. We'll put that aside there. Also, some extra screws to install it into your tower there. Alright, well, that's the end of that box. Next video, I will show you how to install it properly. Stay tuned for part 2.